BabyBus.
Mew Mew is wearing the wrong clothes. When you get lost, remember to give your name card to the police. Wearing a yellow hat can help the teacher spot you at once. Change into your outing clothes to make it easier for the teacher to find you. This is it! This is it! Huh? What's different about That's right! Wow! Everyone has changed clothes! Kids, let's pack the items we need together. Think about it. Which a camera? A water bottle? A notebook? A picnic blanket? Great! We've packed everything we need. Let's go! Choose a school bus you like. Dinosaur bus. Today we will go to the orchard jungle. Let's go on an outing together. Go, go, go! Autumn arrives with a bountiful harvest. Welcome to the orchard. We've harvested a lot of fruits and want to share them with you. Yay! Ah! The fruit is falling! Catch it! 3, 2, 1, go! Drag Kiki to catch the fruit. Great! Aha! We got the fruit! We've caught a lot of fruits. Let's put them in the corresponding baskets. Apple, apple. Kiwi, kiwi. Orange, orange. Pear, pear, pear. Great! Now let's make some fruit sandwiches. Star bread. Star bread. Then add some fruit slices. Orange. 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 Then add some fruit slices. Apple. Kiwi. Apple. Apple. Kiwi. 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 Apple. Choose your favorite sauce. Chocolate spread. Salad dressing. It's done! Tap here to cut the sandwiches. Let's eat! Feed the kids with the food. Everyone is full! Let's continue our trip! Autumn has arrived. Tree branches sway and leaves fall. Oh, I spilled my goods all over the road. Can you help me? Don't worry, we're here to help. Put the goods in the right place. Eggplants, pears, peaches, corn, grapes, apples. Thank you. Kids, we're going to the jungle to take pictures. Everyone must pay attention to safety. Tap on the squirrel to take a picture. Great! This time, let's take pictures of ginkgo, squirrel, woodpecker, brown bear. It's here! That's it! Maple leaf. Look for it. Where are all the things we want to put? That's it! That's it! Look for it. Where are all the things we want to photograph? That's it! Let's record what we've just captured with our camera. Ginkgo. Let's put the photo on. Ginkgo leaves have all turned yellow in autumn. The ginkgo leaves can be made into wings of a butterfly. How pretty! Let's stick the wings onto the butterfly. Color the butterfly now. Wow, it's so beautiful! Squirrel! The pine tree is about to bear pine cones. Pick some pine cones and feed them to the squirrel. How many pine cones can the squirrel hold in its mouth? There's 7 pine cones in its mouth. Let's build a nest for dry twigs, fallen leaves. The squirrel uses its mouth to carry food. It has put the pine cones into its nest. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers are good at catching insects. Let's help it create a hole in the tree. In autumn, the insects hide in the tree trunks. Woodpeckers can eat them through the holes they make. The woodpecker ate a lot of insects. Thank you. Brown bear. The brown bear is hungry. Feed the bears meat, fish, berries. The brown bear is full. It wants to sleep now. It's all recorded. You are awesome!